Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers. The Free Village Nugget ice maker, known for its soft and chewable nugget ice, and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker, which offers a compact design and quick ice production. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for cocktails and beverages. In contrast, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker creates traditional cylinder-shaped ice cubes. While nugget ice is favored for its texture, cylinder ice is more common and melts faster, making it less desirable for some users. When it comes to daily production, the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker excels with an impressive capacity of 34 pounds of ice per day. Meanwhile, the Igloo model produces 26 pounds per day. This difference can be crucial for larger gatherings or events where ice is needed in abundance. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker boasts a premium stainless steel construction, which not only enhances its durability, but also adds a sleek aesthetic to your kitchen. On the other hand, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is made from lightweight plastic, making it more portable but potentially less durable over time. In conclusion, both the Free Village Nugget ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize ice quality and capacity, the Free Village is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that produces ice quickly, the Igloo is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like